Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your speaker JBL Grip is charging? So we have two options how to check it. At the back side, at the bottom, we have USB-C port. We should connect this speaker to the power to check it. And you can use USB-C cable and an adapter. You can use USB-C to USB-C to charge it from your phone or another device with USB-C port. We can also use USB-C to USB-A port to charge it from PC or again another device with USB-A port. Now let's do this. And now I just connect it to the power. Then, at the top, we see this red LED light, meaning that your speaker is charging. So, this one your first option. The second option is to use an application. You need to open JBL Portable app, and your speaker should be connected with the app. You will see the speaker menu, but if you are in the main menu, just tap at the speaker at the device list. So right here we have a battery level and we have this line. If I connect my speaker to the power, this line changes the color to the green, meaning that my speaker is charging right now. And this one your second option. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.